What's going on, B-Risers? I hope you guys are doing well. Today I got a creamy carrot parsnip soup for you guys, and this is super easy, you guys. I'm going to bring you in closer to show you what I'm doing. We're going to cook together, show you how easy this is. But up north here in Canada, I love my soups. I love stews, I love crock pot dishes. But here, I'm just going to share with you a very simple recipe, one that you can do very quickly. I know a lot of people want quick recipes. We're in this, fast-paced world. There's lots going on, so I'm here to just bring you a healthy, easy recipe that you can do. So what we got some carrots here. So I got 5 carrots. We have 2 parsnips, onion, 1 large onion, some ginger, about a thumb of ginger, vegetable broth. Now I make sure to read the ingredients for vegetable broth, just to make sure there's not oils in there. Vegetable oils I try to limit, and I also have some light coconut milk. So this is just a quick meal. Normally I do like the raw, like making my own coconut milk, but here we're just doing a simple recipe for you guys that you can easily get these ingredients at your local store. So I'm going to bring you guys in closer and we're going to show you what we're doing.
So we start by dicing the onion and then cutting up the rest of the veggies.
All right, my friends, so we have all the veggies cut up right behind me here. So nothing fancy, because we're going to be pureeing it anyways. So what I'm going to do, take this over here. Oh, we lost a carrot. Is we're going to fry up the onion just in some water. You can use some oil if you like, a little bit of oil, olive oil. So we're just gonna throw that on there and just saute that just so it gets a little nice and brown. And then we're going to throw the rest of the veggies in.
And I sauteed the veggies for about 1.5 minutes, and then now we're adding in the vegetable broth.
We are going to bring this on high, let it boil, and I'm going to throw the ginger in there. We're just going to bring this to a boil just so the veggies cook, and I'll show you guys what we're doing next. Alright, so it's brought to a boil, so we're just going to let it simmer for about 15 minutes. So I'm going to put on low, and we'll let that simmer. And then what we're going to do is we're going to throw the coconut milk in, and we'll let it cool, and then we'll blend it, and it'll be nice and creamy. Alright, so the soup has cooled down. We're just going to add in the coconut milk. Like that. And then we're going to puree it. I just got one of these hand mixers, so I'm just going to show you guys what I do. Alright, you guys, I blended it up more just so it's a little bit more creamier, and it is absolutely delicious. Let me know if you try this and how you like it. And stay tuned for more easy, healthy recipe videos. And as always, be your beautiful selves, be getting in some healthy foods, and we'll all be rising.